Hi, my name is Miss Heidi, and for today's craft, we're making Scarecrow Puppets. The supplies we need for this craft are glue, a black crayon, scissors, paper bag, and construction paper. I have black, yellow, brown, blue, white, and pink. First, we're going to make the shirt. And I'm going to use blue. You can use any color you want, and you just make it the same shape as the paper bag and cut it down. I have mine right here. And I'm going to glue that. And mine is too long, so I'm going to have to cut some off the bottom. And make sure you're using the side of the paper bag that has the flap. And then I'm going to put some more glue so the shirt sticks nice. And I think I need to cut a little bit more off. Just make sure it's even. And then I'm going to take the yellow and make a patch on the shirt, because scarecrows usually have patches. So, and you can just put it any way, it doesn't have to be even. And then we're going to use the black crayon and make it look like stitches. So we're just going to add a few, maybe like 4 or 5. And then I'm going to work on his face. I'm going to cut 2 bigger circles out of the white paper for his eyes. And then I'm going to use the black and make some smaller circles. Put it in the center of the eyeball. And then I'm going to take the white and make smaller so it shows. Right in the middle. Then I'm going to take the orange and put his nose. And I just did a triangle. And then I cut out 2 pink circles for his cheeks, because we want him to have big rosy cheeks. Okay, and then I'm going to draw his mouth, and I'm going to just draw it from here to here, basically to his cheeks. Just go between his cheeks and then put the lines just like that. And then I'm going to add the straw or his hair, and we're going to kind of make it go off to the side. So I'm going to kind of just do that. And it doesn't, maybe 4 pieces, because he'll have a hat on. So mainly put the glue in the middle part of that. I think that's good. And then we're going to take the brown and cut a hat. And I made my hat look like this. So I'm going to just glue the bottom part and just put it on the edge. And that is our Scarecrow puppet. Hope you enjoyed today's craft. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.